I will talk about how can you disable show captions on your YouTube TV app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above your photo profile here, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on captions. Then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So you just switch into open video like this. So then all you have to do next, you just come to show captions here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean show captions disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like